Okay, this is MA0800. I just fill up this little water tank. Now I'm going to turn on. This humidifier comes with a 3-speed fan. F1 is really quiet. This is, I think this is automatic. This is F3, F2, F1, then automatic, F3, F2, F1. F1 is really quiet. Now this humidity. And this one is, so this one, I like it. It's quiet and it's a lot lighter, of course. Now I'm gonna show you these two. Now on the right side, this one is the 6-gallon one. You can see it's a lot bigger than the 2.5-gallon one. And that smaller one is a lot quieter. Now I'm going to turn this big one on and see how loud it is. Now I'm going to turn the big one on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the big one in my living room and this one in my bedroom. I'm not going to move them around because this big one, when filled with water, is pretty heavy, 6-gallon. So that's why I bought another one, because I really like these kind of humidifiers. I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.